one. Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney.
And I'm Nancy Tackney.
And we are Team
Team
Tackney. So here we are at our newest listing where you can find any of the three of us. What's the address, Nancy?
10121 Montecito Plaza in Garden Grove.
Yep.
So fabulous. Right on the corner, the complex is of Orangewood and Brookhurst. Really great spot because you've got Nancy's favorite crumble cookie just down the street. Movie theater Sprouts. The new Sprouts Market is phenomenal. So location is great. Schools are great.
Yep.
And this house is great. So you're in a planned unit development. You've got totally remodeled, smooth ceilings, recessed lighting, remodeled bathrooms. Flooring is great. We're so excited for you to...
AC.
Oh, the AC feels so good. We're excited for you to take a look.
I know you're the worrying kind. Is there any way? Or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time?
Here we are at the detached two-car garage in which you'll find laundry hookups and a door leading to the courtyard that'll get you into the house through the sliding glass door.
We hope you've enjoyed the video of this amazing townhome located in an awesome complex with plenty of guest parking, community pool and spa, great, amazing location. If you have enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
Warm.